everybody in.
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Y'all get in line.
PTA scored 3 times.
I just interfere with interception.
Take that number 1 spot. That shit is easy. We want to check this shit on this field. We want to ship on this field. This our field. We started this. We want to ship on this field. We started this. Belt the ass. Do you understand me? Belt the ass. What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? Let's go fuck them there.
How you feel? How you feel? Fuck, I'm talking about that boy here.
That's the one. Trenches. In the trenches. Just before you reach the King's Yell. Wait. We're in the trenches. Get money. We got some Razorbacks. Ooh, it's some Razorbacks. Ooh, it's some Razorbacks. Ooh, it's some Razorbacks. Ooh, it's some Razorbacks. It's some Razorbacks.
Have a nice clean game. All right, we came out here to play football. All right. So, like I said, I want black talking to black and white talking to black. I don't want no cussing, no fussing. All right, you got it. All right. So you guys are on the home side. You guys are the visitors, so you guys get to call the toss. This is heads. All right. This is tails. All right. Say it loud enough so he can hear it. Okay. Ready? What do you say? It is tails. What would you like? All right. They have won the toss. They have elected to defer. You guys will receive. Which way you guys want? Which way you guys want to go? So we're gonna come here. All right. Black will receive. Shake hands, gentlemen. Let's have a good clean game.
Hey, Jay.
go straight to the bathroom. All right, if nobody pushes, go straight to the bathroom. Hey, we going mango. Let's go. Hey, let's go check 6. Let's go check 6. Let's go split. Water.
LC made it.
Turn up.
With it, money, ain't LC made it.
How much points they got? I lock people up for a living. I lock people up for a living. They say light skin.